3 weeks ago, but now it look different. Very different. Look at this guy. Look at this engine. Look at this. Before and after. You ready? Woo! Very, very clean, guys. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to Pham Legend channel. Car dealership and performance shop is Pham Motorsport. Okay guys, this is a b16 Honda Civic AG hatchback. I had it for a year, but now this two guy gonna buy it, man. Very clean one. No wreck, but got a little rust. B16. Woo! Yep, car show. I plan to keep this long time ago, but I don't have time for it right now, so I'm gonna sell it to my buddy here. So let they have the fun. What size the rim is? 17, guy. Yeah. Gonna drive back to Gretna, 40 minutes away from here. Been parked for a year and a half. Hopefully it'll make it there, but let's see. No leaks. Yep, no leak, guys. Okay, yeah, it's all a mess, guy. Twin cam motor sounds good. Let's up the speed a little bit. Woo! Supercharged. Bye. Alright, đi. Yeah, they drive it back now. See you in the next video, guys. And why is that? This car's here. H2B hatchback. Tắt máy quê lắm á nha. Chạy mà tắt máy là quê lắm á. Okay, it's on the way, man. So they're gonna take care of this. Hopefully, see he come back for more turbo or anything. Yeah, guys, been a year and a half. Don't burn the clutch. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more car. See you in the next video. Peace. Thank you. Woo! 3 weeks ago, but now it look different. Very different. Look at this guy. Look at this engine. Look at this. Before and after. You ready? Woo! Very, very clean, guys. Yeah. Man, he cleaned it all up. He grind all this out and polish it, guy. Woo! What's that? Man, it's clean, no oil. Engine, very, very clean. Damn. Yeah. So now turbo time. Change the wheel too. The K1 Racing. Yeah, change the wheel too. Woo! Look at that, guys. Very, very nice now. Clean. I like it already. Look what a difference. What's the difference, guys? Can you spot the difference? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, back out luôn. Man, put a bolt here, man. Nice. Let's crank up a little bit. Woo! Big tech, guys. Ooh, SDI here, guys. Oh, no, SDI. Yeah, SDI. Yeah, this is how we do it. Exhaust work. Xrunner, guys. Xrunner, they only come manual, not automatic. All manual transmission. Yeah, for sale. How much? '05 Xrunner, guys. Exhaust is finished. Let's start it up. Let's see. Let's see that baby rip. Yeah. Woo! Sound like an import, man. Manual. Sound like a Skyline. Yeah. See the sound, man. Xrunner 05 manual transmission for today project, guys. Another project car here, guys. Hyundai Veloster, and this Xrunner to go home. Yeah, guys. Woo! You like the color? I love the color, man. Very, very nice color. Woo! Woo, guys. Yep, this here for us to. I think we gonna do the master, the clutch, slave cylinder. Yeah. Man, I like all the blue color here. Very, 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 very nice. Yeah. Like it.